Slated to begin service in September 2017, the Central Ohio Transit Authority, COTA, will introduce a bus rapid transit, or BRT project, to improve service on one of its busiest routes, the local Line 1, Cleveland Avenue. The proposed corridor for the new BRT runs from downtown Columbus north for 15.6 miles to the Ohio Health Westerville Medical Campus at Polaris Parkway and Africa Road. The BRT will share lanes with other vehicles except during rush hour in downtown, when BRT buses will use existing bus-only lanes on High Street. Downtown BRT stations will be marked by large signs called pylons and carry a distinctive identity used only for the BRT buses, stops, and shelters. This distinctive identity, developed by COTA with the public's help, will be finalized in the summer of 2014. Columbus State Community College, with over 26,000 students, will be a major BRT station on Cleveland Avenue. The BRT can help alleviate Columbus State on-campus parking limitations. Students and faculty can easily get to and from campus on the BRT. The BRT can also help encourage business development along the route. Transit-oriented development and other new facilities can be designed to maximize access to public transit for workers. The Linden Transit Center, located at 11th Avenue, will provide a connection between the BRT and other bus routes. A transit signal priority system will trigger green lights to help delayed buses get back on schedule. Most BRT stations between downtown and State Route 161 will have passenger shelters, branded pylons, bike racks, route maps, and real-time bus arrival information. A new transit center and park and ride are planned near the Northern Light Shopping Center. Passengers boarding the BRT here will have an indoor waiting area and improved transfer connections to other transit routes. COTA is working closely with the diverse communities, businesses, and property owners along the corridor to ensure the new stations enhance existing neighborhoods. Passenger safety is our highest priority. Each new station will have extra lighting and security cameras. On weekday mornings and afternoons, buses will arrive every 10 minutes between downtown and State Route 161. A second transit center and park and ride is planned for the Meijer Northland Plaza shopping center. At this stop, BRT service will switch to enhanced bus service, operating every 30 minutes. Enhanced bus service gives passengers direct access to Mount Carmel St. Anne's Hospital in Westerville. This community hospital averages 72,000 visits per year. The bus makes its final stop at the Ohio Health Westerville Medical Campus at Polaris Parkway and Africa Road. Depending on the time of day, the trip will take around 56 minutes, reducing travel time by 21%. COTA expects the improved bus system to increase ridership by 15 to 20% within the first 5 years of operation. The new line will be more reliable, give riders more travel options, reduce travel times, improve pedestrian access and safety, and help create opportunities for economic development within the corridor. For more information, please visit www.cotabrt.com.